Greetings everyone. Today we're delving into the solution for when your wish list fails to display properly on your Gmail app. Let's explore how to rectify this issue effectively. To begin, navigate to the Settings option within your Gmail app. Upon clicking, you'll be directed to a new window. Within this window, scroll down until you find the Apps section and proceed to click on it. Next, locate the Temu app within the list displayed. Keep scrolling until you find it. Once found, click on it to select. Within the Temu app settings, locate and click on the Gmail option. This action will prompt a new window to appear. In the subsequent window, locate and click on Full Stop. Confirm your selection by clicking OK. Now scroll down further and select Storage. In the Storage settings, click on Clear Cache to remove any cache data. After clearing the cache, return to your Play Store. Check for any available updates for the Temu app. If updates are available, click on Update to install them. This step will address and resolve the issue with your wish list not showing up properly. Once the update is complete, revisit your app, and you should now find your wish list displaying correctly within the Gmail app. Thank you for tuning in. Don't forget to show your support by liking and subscribing to our channel.